Alright, you're recording.
Well, we're about 5 miles south of Marion, and right now, I already measured the snow. We have 1 foot of snow, 12 inches, and as you can see, it's still snowing right now. It is about, I don't have my watch on, it's a little afternoon right now.
Okay.
And as you can see, it's pretty cold. The roads, look at this, can you zoom in on the roads? The roads are kind of cleared off, and there's still some snow there, but you can see, Lucas just fell down. Here, let me get the camera. Alright, yeah, as you can see, the roads are kind of cleared off. Oh, boy. There they are. It is the day after Christmas. Today is December 26th. Lucas, come on, dude. It is December 26th, 2012, a Wednesday, and Lucas is rolling out in the snow. We're gonna get the sleds out pretty soon to go sledding down this hill and kind of see. But yeah, as you can see, the roads are not too bad. Obviously, if there was school, we probably wouldn't have it today. But yeah, a foot of snow. See my hand, just tell you how far that goes in. Yeah. It is Friday, December 28th, 2012. The time right now is 11:20, and we are experiencing some pretty heavy, I'd say moderate snowfall right now. It was a little bit heavier at times, but actually this is still coming down pretty good, and this has been coming down like this since about 7 p.m. And you can see we have already had about 12 inches of snow from Wednesday's winter storm that hit, and right now tonight we're expecting the forecast said 3 to 6 inches on the winter storm warning, but I would say excuse me, it's very cold out. We will probably get about 6 inches. I measured my brother's truck, and the bed of his truck had about 5.5 inches, so I wouldn't be surprised if we end up getting 6 or 7. The back edge of the snow is still in southeast Missouri. Hasn't even reached southern Illinois yet. So, and if it keeps coming down like this, yeah. This afternoon, all this is cleared off the sidewalk, and already this probably has about 5 inches of snow on it, and there's 5 inches of snow already on the 12 inches of snow that we had the other day. You can see the footprints that were made are already being covered up by snow. They look more like mounds than they do footprints. So, and we got the big searchlight on. This is our backyard. So that's all the video I'm going to take of this. Like I said, very cold out, but still sunny. It's actually about 32 degrees out. This is really wet, heavy snow. So it's sticky on the roads, although the plow trucks will probably clear that off pretty easy. But you can see the doghouse over there and the shed completely just covered. It's not as windy tonight as it was the other night, but I know it's kind of dark on the camera, but it's definitely, I can't even see the inside of Zoe's doghouse because it's covered up so much with snow. But yep, possibly might be getting about 18 inches total of snow.